All right, folks, doing garden update here on Oops, I just got this sprinkler replaced. Kids kicked it over. July 12th. It's July 12th, and we have got a jungle going back here. I just harvested this entire thing completely full of sugar snaps. Maybe I'll show you the pile inside. Ate a whole bunch of them. But an absolute jungle back here. I haven't weeded it in a long time. But yeah, you see the sugar snaps just back there. Just those like 4 rows, I filled up this entire thing. Plus we've eaten a whole bunch. You can see the potatoes are doing well. We got carrots in here. I can't tell if like my potatoes like died and got destroyed by the bugs or if they're doing okay. I really can't quite tell. But you can see the beets are coming in. Beets are still growing. Beets are doing okay. Flowers are okay. Carrots are coming. Back there you can kind of see the cucumbers. I do have some beans. We do have zucchinis coming in. This row of sugar snaps I still need to harvest. The weeds are just out of control, but pretty sure there's some like sugar snap peas back here too somewhere, but they're just kind of getting overwhelmed. But yeah, figured I'd do a quick garden update. We did get a good harvest of radishes, got a good harvest of sugar snap peas, so got a whole bunch of peas. You can see got a whole bunch to harvest still yet right there. And then you can see the zucchinis. Zucchini coming in. Check out that zucchini. Most of these have pretty good little zucchinis. Here's another one. Another zucchini right there. And then back here you'll see got some green beans coming in, some other stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest the rest of these.